What's up, guys? And today, for this YouTube video, I'm going to be doing the 5-step ding-dong ditching. That house.
One right next to mine.
Next to his. And I'm going to be
taking
what the 5-step
five
challenge
steps.
is you ring the doorbell, and then you only have 5 steps to try and hide. And so, I think I've got a plan. So, let's go.
Here he goes. Sorry if this is bad filming and shakiness. My tripod's a little loose, as you can see. Here he goes, old car. Alright, I'm gonna guess he's gonna hop the fence or something else. Oh my gosh, he's behind that. Oh my gosh, please answer. Please answer.
I was looking at her and she just picked the packages up, and I was looking right there, and she looked over. She didn't see me. I was about to just sprint out.
You can shoot him.
I was back there. That was hilarious.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, next one. We're doing this one, both of us. And they have a really loud attack dog, so you might hear the dog barking. But it's gonna be really, really sketchy. Caden, you're gonna ring it.
And we're gonna take a while.
Because it, or else it'll kill us. And then we're just gonna sprint away. We're probably not gonna do that. We're just gonna stay, okay? Very scary. Oh.
They didn't put their attack dog away.
Nope.
Alright guys, so that was really, really scary doing the 5-step challenge with that attack dog. I thought they were going to put it away, but they didn't, and it almost attacked us. Yeah. So we're not going to do 5-step challenge anymore. We're just going to do normal doorbell ditching. And I'm about to go to that house over there. Yeah. It's going to be good. I'm going to do the next one. The one that we're going to do right now, and then Caden's going to do one. Then we should do one more together.
Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so while we were doorbell ditching Jeff's house, he came out as you saw.
Yeah.
The last clip. Yeah, the last clip that we did.
That you just barely saw.
And so then Kaylee and Duncan that we did before Jeff's house, they came out and they were like, I'm gonna get my mom and dad, and then they were trying to shoot us with slingshots. Yeah, they were shooting us with slingshots, or trying to. And I just want to tell everybody out there that if anyone touches you or shoots anything by you, don't be afraid. Just call the cops, or just, I don't know, just ignore them. Yeah, that's what we did. We didn't say anything back. We just walked by. We just walked by. They told us to go there, and we just... They're like, come here. And then they ran inside to get their mom and dad, and we just kept walking. Yeah, we just kept walking. We didn't care. So, that's what I was going to say. So, yeah. Peace out. Wait. Please leave a like, comment, or just even a subscribe, and that would be perfect. Amazing. Like, on the water bottle trick shot video, that like 23 to us if you subscribed. 23 views, that made me super happy. Some other people are getting, whoa, like 23,000. 23. Some people out there are getting like 2 million views. Yeah. But we just started, so like a month ago, so yeah, that's good. So if you have any friends that have YouTube, tell them to subscribe and like this video to get it out there more. If you like it, people can go on your YouTube channel and look at the ones that you've liked, and then they'll get that out there more. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. It was really fun. It was. That was scary, almost getting attacked by the dog. Yeah, that was scary. So yeah, peace out. Don't forget to go check me out. Alright, so now for the next thing we're going to shoot. We don't know if they're home or not because he might have went on a trip, a scout trip. And so I'm like 2 houses away, or like just a while away. But I think they might be home because there's a car right there. But usually there's like 3 cars. Sorry, I need to zoom in. I can't really see. Hey, that's a good zoom in. There he goes. There he runs. Oh shoot, they're home. Dude, they're home. Dude, I saw them in the window. Yeah. I saw them in that window. Oh shoot, they're there, they're there. That's Jeff. That's Jeff. Caden, stay back there. They're gonna look through the window. So now it's my turn for doing the since he's gonna be doing that house, but because that house didn't answer. That's one big truck. That's like 100 feet. And he's gonna whoops. On the door so that you can see him. Alright guys, he's running up. Don't forget to leave this video a like and a comment. And if you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, please subscribe. Okay, that's pretty good. He's up there now. Sorry, this is kind of tilted. There he goes. Run, Caden, run. Run, Caden, run. Blazing speed. I gotta hide the camera more. This camera angle is really crooked there. Okay, this.